Well, weather impacts, some folks getting some rain today.
Yeah, I actually saw lightning on the tower cams. It's been a while since we've seen that. A lot of people heard it for the first time in a long time. We've had a thunderstorm move across the area, but not everybody saw it. But it was just nice to see kind of the pattern change a little bit. Tomorrow morning, probably not going to be a ton of rain, but we could see a few isolated showers south tomorrow morning. Kind of a cloudy start, but it will be clearing as the day goes on. The weekend's kind of a 50-50 kind of setup here. Saturday, no washout, but certainly could be cloudy and damp with some cold temperatures and some showers in the morning. Sunday looks fine. Next week's going to be mostly dry and sunny, though we do have one good chance of rain coming up next week. What's left of that isolated storms that we saw earlier, still moving through eastern parts of Richmond County. You can see that pushing through Hoffman right now, heading east on 74 as you go down towards the coast. A couple of warnings up towards the Raleigh area. There's actually a pretty good line of storms between Greensboro and Raleigh this evening as the cold front is moving across the area. So we saw a broken line of showers and storms move across the area. So overnight we're dry for the most part, but there's a little chance of showers. Now, probably not going to be much out there. This morning's big cluster of showers kind of dove south and missed us. Tomorrow morning, not nearly as strong. Probably going to miss us mainly to the south, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a few sprinkles in the morning. We'll see if the clouds come back for Friday morning, but I expect more sunshine than anything. Saturday, we've got a pretty strong storm system to our south. Now, there's some question of how far north the rain is. I do think we'll see some light rain, drizzle, or mist there. Don't get your hopes up for any heavy rain. This looks to be more to our south. So overnight tonight, we'll fall down maybe to about 60 degrees. Just a small chance of rain in the morning hours tomorrow with highs back into the jumped through that real quickly, in the mid 70s tomorrow. The sun will come out late in the day, so eventually you'll see that sunshine break out. So additional rainfall. Obviously, anything that falls tomorrow morning would be a bonus, but you see the totals. This is the problem with our rain chances. We've had quite a few of them lately, but they've been really isolated light stuff. Nothing heavy, nothing soaking, which is what we need to help out with the drought. So that 20% tomorrow isn't much. Saturday, 60% chance. That's kind of deceiving because the percentage of rain has nothing to do with the intensity or duration, just as the chance of seeing precipitation. And you can see the heavier stuff is going to be to our south as that low pressure system moves up the coast. So some folks will get really lucky down in the low country of South Carolina, eastern North Carolina. But for us, it's going to be kind of a misty, drizzly, cold day because we'll have northerly winds on the backside of that low. Think of it almost as like a nor'easter. As that nor'easter kind of moves up the coast, we're going to have a cool day. And you can see that swath of heavy rain over the next 7 days. So we're starting to see the chances get closer to us. We still need an inch or more per week to make some inroads into the drought. So Saturday, kind of a cloudy, dreary day. You see the 58 degree. That might be lucky if we get up there. Sunday, we'll clear things out. Temperatures back in the upper 60s. Your Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast. You'll see the rain chance on Saturday, again, mainly in the morning and light. Beautiful day Sunday. Next week, we start with gorgeous conditions, 70s and low 80s. Another front comes through on Thursday. That could impact the Truist Championship with scattered showers and storms. And by next weekend, should be nice again with temperatures in the 70s. So actually a little bit milder than what we've seen for most of April as we go into the first full week of May.
All right.